Hello everyone, welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. This is Saili, your yoga expert. So today we are going to see some very nice eye exercises which will help you to maintain your eye health. As with the time being, many people are facing problems with their eyesights due to the excess use of mobile and laptops. So these exercises will help you to relax your eyes and maintain their good health. Firstly, we will relax our eyes as you are sitting on laptops doing your work or you are playing with your mobile. We will just relax our eyes. You will take few seconds and close your eyes and make them relax. So for that you just have to warm up your hands first. Warm up them for 10 to 15 seconds and then just keep your heel on your cheekbone and keep your hands on your eyes gently. Close your eyes. Feel relaxed. Give the warmness to your eyes and gently take them down and keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. For 10 to 15 seconds you have to keep your eyes closed after you are working, and then gently open your eyes. From here we can start with the exercises that we want to do. So now we are going to see exercises that will help you to relax and give a little massage to your eyesights. So firstly we will start with right corner up and left corner down. So how we can do this? Firstly, sit straight, roll your shoulders back, your neck is straight and your eyes are relaxed and focused. So you have to look up in the right corner and down in the left corner. So you will start with up, down, up, down, right up, left down, right up, left down, right up, left down. So you can repeat this exercise for 10 times and you can do it really very slowly. If you are getting any stress and strain in your eyesight, you can stop for a while and then again you can repeat the same thing. Nextly we will do, as we have done the right up, left down, we will do now left up and right down. Same way. So just sit straight again, roll your shoulders back, relax and start. Left up, right down, left up, right down, left up, right down, left up, right down. You will feel the stress over here as you are doing it correctly, and same thing you can do this for 10 times and then you can stop for a while. After every exercise you have to stop and close your eyes for some time, relax them for a while and then again start with the another exercise. Our next exercise is looking at the pin point of a pen, or you can take your thumb also for looking and focusing on it. So this exercise really helps to give massage to your eyeballs and muscles nearby it. We can take a pen and we can observe it at its point. You just have to focus on it. You will not look here and there. You just have to focus on the nip of the pen, or you can do same with your thumb. So you just have to take your thumb like this and you have to focus on the tip of your thumb. You will not look here and there. So I will show it in both the types how you can do it. Sit straight again, take the pen like this, focus on it and just keep looking at it. You, as much as you can take it, you have to look at it. Focus on the pen. Don't look here and there. Try to just be focused on the nip of the pen. And slowly you have to take the pen near your nose. And keep looking at the tip of the pen like this. As much as you can take it near your nose. Wait here for a second and again take it back. Close your eyes, take the pen down, relax your eyesight for some time and gently open. After doing this, if the people who have number, like they have glasses, they will feel pain when they are coming close till here or here. So when you are facing problem or your eyes start watering, just stop over there for some time, close your eyes, relax, and then again repeat the same thing. Don't do it like that, it is paining and I will not do it. It helps your eyesight. Okay, so you have to keep doing it. This also you can repeat in 5 rounds. So you can take pen or you can take thumb. So with thumb I will start. In the middle you have to take the thumb. Focus on it for some time and then you will start taking it near your nose. Slowly focus on your thumb and then again take it back. Just focus on the tip of your thumb, don't look here and there. Try to focus. Gently take your hand down and close your eyes. Again, same this exercise you can repeat for 5 times, and you can do this also or the pen one also. People with high number of glasses will have pain or will start it will start watering. Their eyes will start watering. So in that case, just wait for some time, close your eyes and again start doing the exercises. Okay, so it will not harm you or not damage your eyes. So don't worry about that. You can continue doing it. Now the last one we will do, just squeezing our eyes and opening them wide. Okay, so look in front, squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze your eyes, open. So this gives massage and stretch your eyes in the middle, as we don't do this. So try doing all these exercises at your home. And also people who have high number, consult with your doctor. And people who have some problem with their eyes, try to take first doctor suggestion and then you can go for these exercises. Keep doing these exercises, watch the video, like, share and subscribe. Share this video with people who need out there. Thank you for watching my video.